9. That's a 9-footer.
Very good. Alright. Yeah, these guys are hooking a few fish in here. I think Barry's got one going here. I said, you know what, it's actually been pretty decent. These things have been showing here for the last couple of hours. They're puddling around and stuff. They're racing up and down this edge. But
Getting poached by the big boat.
you get a few. Okay, we'll see you in a little bit. We'll get the anchor down inside of where we dropped you guys in this morning. So, we'll see you in a bit.
He's got his rally cap fell off, but he's got his cheerleaders on the big boat. That sea lion getting it?
No. I'm just being a pussy.
Oh, he's looking. Big knothead. No, it's all right. He doesn't want yellowtail. He wants sardine. Oh, the yellow saw him. Like he's swimming in the big boat. Easy meal there. He doesn't want to mess with us. You getting pinned? What's wrong? Pull it off the rail. I think you got to see. I think you got a sea lion.
Is that a sea lion?
No, I think it just fish just lit up finally. What's wrong?
I was getting him good for a while.
A little bigger than you thought, huh?
Yeah. God, I was working him in good for a while and
He pinned you to the rail?
yeah. It's so unexpected. Like you said, he just woke up and took that birth.
Yep.
I said, yeah, I don't want to be doing today.
Here we go again. Is he hurting you? Look at that pain. Look at that pain. I think you got sea lion. We're gonna have some fun now. Back off, just back off a little bit. You got sea lion. Not too much.
Lion?
Yeah, he's got it. Okay, here we go. So, what just happened, Ray?
We chased down the seal let go, stuck the gaff, and this is what he got.
Thing came right to the boat, huh? As soon as the seal lets go of it, the yellowtail run right to the boat, getting the safety, and we got it. Good job, guys. That's what I call teamwork.
Adam.
Right up the bow. Nice. Watch your back cast. Oh, Adam in the corner. Oh. Real close. Here we go. Hold him up on the rail, Joe. Get in there, Jim. Nice job.
Qualifier. And right now we're on the fish trap 7-day skiff trip. We're sitting at Bonitas Island. Had a great day of fishing out here. It's world-class bass fishing, these places. Conditions always are the key. You know, today's was a very good day. We caught some yellowtail on the anchor on the big boat, and that's always fun because we only have think at the most 9 passengers on the boat, so there's a lot of platform to run around and fish, have a good time. Skiffs were out here just zipping around the islands, getting all the spots looked at and fished, and they had a great time. Caught some yellowtail in the skiffs today, caught a lot of bass, a lot of good quality bass. This place here, it can be probably the best calico bass fishing I think I've ever seen.